Welcome to Multilingual Essence. Learn about family relations in 6 languages, Part 3. Mother's mother. In English, maternal grandmother. Telugu, Ammamma. Hindi, Nani. Tamil, Paati. Kannada, Ammamma. Malayalam, Muttachi. Mother's father. In English, maternal grandfather. In Telugu, Tatayya. Hindi, Nana. Tamil, Patan. Kannada, Ajja. Malayalam, Muttachan. Father's mother. In English, paternal grandmother. Telugu, Nanamma. Hindi, Dadi. Tamil, Appachi. Kannada, Ajji. Malayalam, Muttachi. Father's father. English, paternal grandfather. Telugu, Tata. Hindi, Dada. Tamil, Tata. Kannada, Ajja. Malayalam, Muttachan. English, elder uncle. Telugu, Pedananna. Hindi, Bade Papa. Tamil, Periyappa. Kannada, Doddappa. Malayalam, Valiyachan. English, elder aunt. Telugu, Peddamma. Hindi, Badi Ma. Tamil, Periyamma. Kannada, Doddamma. Malayalam, Valiyamma. English, younger uncle. Telugu, Chinnanna or Babai. Hindi, Choti Papa. Tamil, Chittappa. Kannada, Chikkappa. Malayalam, Cheriyachan. English, younger aunt. Telugu, Chinnamma or Pinni. Hindi, Choti Ma. Tamil, Chittamma. Kannada, Chikkamma. Malayalam, Cheriyamma. English, granddaughter. Telugu, Manavaralu. Hindi, Poti. Tamil, Peti. Kannada, Mommagalu. Malayalam, Cherumagal. English, grandson. Telugu, Manavadu. Hindi, Pota. Tamil, Peran. Kannada, Mommagan. Malayalam, Cherumagan. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to Multilingual Essence.